अच्छा, show your hands if you have ever bought something just because it was cheap. I have done that. और मुझे पता है आप में से कुछ लोग तो ये अभी भी करते हैं. I mean, हम सब करते हैं. Who doesn't like a good deal? And जब ये सेल सीजन होते हैं और when a website says 10% off, 20% off, 80% off, you're like भाई एक बार पहन लूँगी क्या फ़र्क पड़ता है and then I'll throw it. होता है, it's normal. Hi, this is Jaini Gandhi. I'm an image consultant, a style curator and a sustainable style advocate. On this channel, we talk about real, relatable, wearable styling ideas, something that you can utilize for your day-to-day life. तो बात करते हैं आज के टॉपिक पे. मैं जनरली किसी को स्टॉप नहीं करती where you shop from. I am very open to understanding and I think I'm mature enough to know that affordability plays a huge factor into your buying needs, and that's why my Instagram or my YouTube or my Pinterest, everything or every single social media talks about how you have to rewear, reuse, restyle your clothes, because उसके बिना तो तुम हर बार तो तुम कितना ही बाहर जाके कपड़े बाय करोगे, right? My problem, like I said, has never been brands. I have never shamed anyone or told anyone don't buy from Zara. But, I am 100% against buying these ultra fast fashion brands, okay? पहले तो एक हाई स्ट्रीट फास्ट फैशन ब्रांड्स होते हैं जैसे ज़ारा बोल दो, मैंगो बोल दो या H&M बोल दो. फिर होते हैं अल्ट्रा फास्ट फैशन ब्रांड्स. अल्ट्रा फास्ट फैशन ब्रांड्स मतलब Shein. Shein is banned in India right now, but everywhere else across the world Shein is so popular. Then there is something called as Ali Likes, जो मैंने अभी देखा, which is also getting very popular in India and across the world. Now these brands absolutely just work on your psychology. These brands do nothing else. Now I'm just going to tell you my reasoning कि why am I stopping you to buy from such brands. I leave that decision to you, but I hope that this gives you a thoughtful introspection कि हमारे कपड़े हमारे हैं, लेकिन it affects the earth, it affects people around so much. So first point, brands like Shein and Ali Likes, they work on our psychology. They want us to buy clothes and discard them like tissue papers, right? They want कि ना तुम आज ये buy करो और तुम कल discard कर दो. They work on that psychology कि तुम्हारे पास ये नहीं है, तुम्हारे पास वो नहीं है, तुम्हारे पास ये नहीं है. The consumerism is what they are building. I'm not saying other brands don't do that, but I'm telling that specifically these brands are harmful क्योंकि just imagine you open a Shein or Ali Likes and you see a top which is $10, okay? $10 मतलब इंडिया में रफली अगर 10 सिंगापुर डॉलर्स काउंट करती हूँ तो इंडिया में रफली 500 से 600 रुपये है. अब उसमें भी दे सडनली पॉप अप दिस 80% ऑफ. नाउ जब $10 पे 80% ऑफ होता है, हाउ मच इज दैट गारमेंट फॉर? दैट गारमेंट इज फॉर $2. $2 मतलब क्या? मतलब वड़ा पाव इज एक्सपेंसिव इन मिठीबाई नियर मुंबई नियर मिठीबाई कि ये तुम्हें पूरा का पूरा टी शर्ट मिल जाएगा $2 में. Do you know that when you receive a garment and when they are giving you such huge discounts, forget कि वो laborers को कितना दे रहे हैं, forget कि quality of garments क्या है, forget all that for a minute. सिर्फ ये सोच लो कि वो तुम्हें $2 में भी एक टॉप देने को तैयार है. That means that warehousing cost for them is so expensive that they want it to go. They will burn the clothes. उससे तो अच्छा है कि तुम $2 में खरीद ही लो. My problem is that this whole thought of discarding the clothes, of why we are buying, you're getting this into picture? When you're buying clothes, you're not thinking कि मैं इससे 10 स्टाइल करूँगी. You are thinking कि for this birthday party, I want this outfit. 200 रुपये का तो है, मैं कल फेंक दूँगी. This whole thought into 200 रुपये का ही है, मैं कल फेंक दूँगी is what these brands are banking upon. जैसे ना हमने अपने कपड़ों के साथ स्टोरी बनाना छोड़ दिया है. What I mean by story is that whole love for the clothes that we have, that when I open my wardrobe I feel happy कि मैंने कोई कपड़ा पहना, like today I'm wearing this jumpsuit, एक ज़माने बाद मैंने पहना है, लेकिन I absolutely feel happy wearing this. वो सब हमने छोड़ दिया है. हम कपड़े बाय करते हैं from a consumerism perspective to discard it. So this is the first problem I have with brands like Allylikes and Shein, that they are making us consumers, you and me, into buying clothes with the thought of discarding and not weaving a story around our styling, around our clothes. The problem number 2 is that because you buy things with the thought of discarding, you have stopped knowing what your personal style is. You are buying everything that retailers are selling you. You are buying or wanting to buy everything that a Shein or a Allylikes will just sell you. And in this process, you don't know what your style is. If you don't know what your style is, you will constantly keep on buying clothes, and that's what these brands want. They want that you never figure out what your style is, because the day you know what your style is, you'll become intelligent. The day you know that this is what is you, this is what talks about you, you'll stop spending money on them, which they don't want. So that's my second problem with the whole discarding economy of clothes. You have stopped understanding what your personal style is. My third problem with brands like this is the quality of products. Okay, the quality of products is so bad कि तुमने 2 या 3 बार पहना और तुम्हें फेंक देना है. It doesn't pinch you to throw, because circling back to point 1 and point 2, it doesn't pinch you to throw क्योंकि वो सिर्फ 200 रुपये का है और तुम्हारे दिमाग में ये चल रहा है कि ठीक है 2 बार पहन लिया, 200 रुपये का है, फेंक देते हैं. But you are not counting the effort to buy those things. You're not counting the emotional investment you did while you bought something. Just imagine you buy something that you can wear constantly, restyle it, rewear it, clutter nahi hota hai cupboard mein, and you have that one piece which works like a charm. Don't you think that works better rather than हर 2 बार 3 बार पहनकर कपड़ा फेंक दिया, and then obviously you have nothing to wear because तुम वो 3 ही बार पहनते हो, या वो 2 बार पहनने के बाद the quality of fabric is so bad कि इतना ख़राब लगता है कि तुम्हें और कहीं बाहर पहनना नहीं है. Then although your clothes are hanging, you're not wearing it. ये Shein का वेबसाइट देख लो. Shein के वेबसाइट पे जाओ ना, अगर तुमने सिर्फ समर ड्रेस डाल दिया कि I want a black summer dress, just look at the freaking options that are available. You will go crazy. तुमने लेना एक ही है, पर I promise you तुम 5 ले लोगे क्योंकि तुम्हें इतने वैरायटी के ऑप्शंस मिलते हैं. लेकिन वो 5 में से whenever you receive ना, तुम्हें खुशी तो एक ही की होगी. The point is कि इतना वो तुम्हें, how do you say, they just throw these ads. Do you know Shein is a Chinese fast fashion brand. There are no sources कि वो कहाँ बनता है, कौन सी फैक्ट्री है, उनकी सप्लाई चेन क्या है, वो कितना वेजेस देते हैं. There is no idea, there is no information, and yet this company is the biggest online retailer of the world. It has surpassed the Zaras and Mangos and H&M. The sheer volume of this is credited to social media. मुझे ज़्यादा टेक्निकल नहीं होना है, मुझे ये वीडियो बोरिंग भी नहीं बनाना है, मुझे ये वीडियो बनाना है ईजी दैट यू विल अंडरस्टैंड. सो माई फोर्थ पॉइंट इज़ कि वो 500 से 700 स्टाइल जो रोज़ डालते हैं ना, दैट इज़ मेकिंग यू और फोर्सिंग यू इनडायरेक्टली टू कम टू द वेबसाइट एवरी डे, बिकॉज यू विल फाइंड समथिंग न्यू every single day. And my fifth point is environmental and human rights. For brands like Allylikes and Shein, we don't know where their supply chain is. We have no idea how much they are paying the workers. See, as subscribers to my channel, मुझे इसे कोई बड़ा TED Talk नहीं बनाना है. I want you to just think one thing. A website that can give you a top for $2 or $4, जबकि शिपिंग एक्सपेंसिव उससे ज़्यादा होता है फॉर इट टू कम फ्रॉम चाइना. हाउ डू यू थिंक दे आर अफोर्डिंग इट? इफ़ यू आर गेटिंग इट चीप is because someone else is paying the price, and that someone else could be in terms of human rights, that someone else could be in terms of environmental effects, that someone else could be in terms of a whole broken crooked supply chain. I hope this video gives you food for thought, and शायद ईजी होगा समझने को कि why these ultra fast fashion companies like Shein and Allylikes are something that should be out of your radar. मुझे लगता है if budget is a problem and if you're not able to think कि मुझे sustainable fashion नहीं लेना है, मुझे वो fancy चीज़ें पसंद है, then still look at the quality, look at the brand, don't just buy something because it is cheap. तो आज तो बहुत ही बड़ा सा टॉकिंग वीडियो हो गया. आई होप दिस मेड सेंस एंड इफ यू लाइक व्हाट यू सीन सो फार प्लीज हिट दैट सब्सक्राइब बटन. टिल आई सी यू नेक्स्ट टाइम. बाय.